This 2025 Grand Design Transcend One 151BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 19 feet 8 inches in length and features a Luna interior, sleeps 5, self-contained, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, air conditioning, LP detector, smoke detector, spare tire kit, TV antenna, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Transcend One 151BH is 3,588 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.